Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're opening Pokemon Purple Ball. Let's turn it around. Let's see the Pokemon.
Okay.
There is a hole. Let me see. I think the flower is covering it. I can't see it. Yeah.
You want to open it now?
Yes, of course. Of course I open this. Yeah. Great. I can't open it.
Try.
I can't. I cannot. I'm trying to cut it all in the hole.
It's easy. It should be very easy. You run right. You do it like this. Cut it a bit. Now I guess you can
Gimme.
tear it off.
Pokemon music. Do you hear any Pokemon music?
Yeah.
Oh, we still don't have enough to peel. Doing another sale. Do need rubbish. Let's try to rip it. Oh, this maybe need some space to cut it out. It's just on the middle of the night, right? We're just on the middle of the night and we're filming a video. Such tired. Just kidding, it's not in the middle of the night. How is the lights on when we're in the middle of the night?
Well, I guess it's... What time is it now?
What time?
Well, maybe we can ask Google, right?
Hey Google! What time is it? Turned off. Hey Google!
Hey Google. What time is it now?
4:59.
Ooh, it's 4:59. Never heard of 4. What? Well, they have the same one, but it hasn't.
Yeah, we have it before, right?
Yeah.
Let's
I
have a
don't
close up.
like it.
Let's have a close up and see. It's a frog.
It's a squishy pop. Let's try it on the wall.
Let's have a close up.
Here's a stick it on this so it does not roll anymore.
Okay.
It's a squishy pop.
Oh, it's a it's
Squishy
a frog. Okay.
Squishy pop. Squishy pop. Squishy pop. Squishy pop. Let's just see all the flyers. And how many squishy pops do we have? Here's the squishy pop. Look at
It's a Korean.
It's squishy pop. It's,
All the words are in Korean. You
Hold
read any
it.
Koreans?
no, I never hear Korean before. The squishy pop is holding this ball.
Okay.
It's never falling. I'm sure I have squishy pops before. I like playing with squishy pops. But bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up with your own Pikachu. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Pokemon blue. I don't have orange. So here, stay, Mr. Green. And here's a look at it. This is Ash, Pikachu, and I don't know. I have this frog everywhere. I have a lot of this frog. Why do I always get that frog? Like,
You're lucky enough.
what lucky enough? I don't like that frog. Ugh. It's evil. And I don't Like,
Don't you think all the kids are still in school?
I don't think so.
But this is in the afternoon already. What time is it now?
4:45.
I don't think so. You can ask Google home.
Hey Google! Hey Googie!
Hey Google.
What time is it now?
5:03.
5:03.
Yeah.
I don't know the T.
Can we ask Google to sing a song? See what she sing?
She always sings a short song.
Okay, let's see.
Hey Google!
Hey Google.
Can you sing us a children's song?
Baba Black Sheep, have you any?
You will. Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
it's itchy as heck.
Oh, so short.
So short.
And somehow
No,
you
thank
cut it a little bit more and it will be easier.
Do you hear any Pokemon music? Is there Pokemon Ball phone still going?
Oh, garbage collector is coming to collect the garbage.
Ooh,
What's that?
it's a bunny. Another squishy pop.
Okay,
Bunny
let's have a close
squishy
up.
pop.
Close up.
Can I get this frog out?
Okay.
I remember which one is on. Because I have to stick the ones that were on this one. This is squishy pop number 1. Item. Squishy pop number 2. Let's put this here. So,
Close up, close up. You like it?
yes. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to open some green Pokeballs. The Pikachu. I just guess it's Pikachu. Is it Pikachu? I don't see it. Why is it pulling? Shake it a little bit. So it's a Pikachu!
Sure? You want to open it now?
Yes, I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I'm serious. I see a fake toy Pikachu. I see Pikachu. Pikachu! I told you! Pikachu. I love Pikachu.
I want a close up.
Of course.
Oopsie.
He just fell. It's another squishy pop. Let's try to squish it and it will pop a sound pop. You want to hear it? Or you first have to ask the Google home what is a squishy pop. Hey Google, what is a squishy pop?
On the website thespruce.com, they say, there are My Little Pony Squishy Pops and Finding Dory Squishy Pops. These little Squishy Pops characters can be safely stuck, squished or attached onto a variety of surfaces, then quickly removed or popped off. Squishy Pops can be bought individually in blind bags or mystery capsules.
She did not even say, where's the bunny? His bunny fell down. Are you hurt, mister? Now let's, what did
Yeah, we got
do?
3 already.
What did I say
I don't know.
in the first one before asking Google?
Hmm.
Oh yes, trying the squishy pop. 1, 2. You want to learn some colors. This is brown. Say brown.
Brown.
This is blue and white. Say blue and white.
Blue and white.
This is black, yellow, and brown in the back, and red and white. Say yellow, red, black, brown.
Yellow, black, red,
Black.
and black and
Brown.
red. Brown. Okay, I
You
got it.
already said red. Okay, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a big thumbs up in Pikachu, Frog, and also Little Buddy. So bye. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Pokemon number. Is it black or brown? Brown. Number brown. Here's the back of the look. Ow.
You want to open it now?
Of course. How did I not open it if I have a Pokeball?
Oopsie.
Good thing I just catched it. The Pokeball is so naughty. I always going to fall you. You stay in front. You stay in front. You stay in front. So you guys don't fall down. You are rolly balls, okay, guys? I'm talking to Pikachu, Mr. Frog, and Bunny! Stop falling. I'm angry at you. Don't fall again, Bunny. Because I'm angry. Falling. Oh, it's this guy.
What's that?
I don't know.
It's a dog like that. Or
And
what?
I don't know what is this.
It's a monster. Anyway, it's a
It's a
Pokemon
monster.
monster.
It's a Pokemon lamb dog, strong, bunny dog, ear, lamb.
Okay.
Now let me go get it.
Can you find it under the table?
I can find it under the table.
Oh, we lost you from the screen. Okay, we can see your hand now.
Squishy pop. Want to ask Google another question?
Yeah, sure.
Or before we ask a question, we try to hide something. You want us to hide something inside the box?
That's
The
you like.
ball?
You hide some trash.
No trash. I don't want you to guide to see. It's just something yellow.
Banana.
No banana. There's no banana here. Banana cannot fit in here. But I know
Lemon.
some.
Lemon.
No.
You said yellow.
Something that eats bananas.
Monkey.
No. I said a cartoon. Somebody that eats animals.
Baby.
No, baby. Some cartoons that eat a banana that wearing goggles and always stabbing us.
I don't know.
Minion.
Can you see? Oh, that's for the next video, right?
Yeah, after we do this one and that one. Well, you're not guessing yours. Okay, let me put this cap back on first. Bye bye, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up. Whoop, that dog lamb bunny. And this bunny and this frog and Pikachu. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open more Pokemon balls. It's red.
Can I have a close up of the ball?
Same frog.
You see this before? You have this one
I
before?
saw this frog. Why do I getting this frog every time?
You're lucky enough.
I'm not lucky because I don't like the frog. Frog is bothering me. Oh, I just. Do you hear any Pokemon music? Let's be quiet. Shh. And hear music. Okay, let's open it now. After we've been quiet for a few 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh, I love this Pokemon.
The red one, the original one.
The original one. This is more powerful. More powerful. More powerful. More powerful. And I hopefully got same.
Okay.
But different face. That's fine. And not this one. Purple. See, it did the same. It's not the same face. But it's the same. It's a brother and a sister.
Why not two brothers?
No, it's different color. This one's light and this one's darker. Look at the close-up.
Where the eye? Yeah, put it down and let's have a close up.
Look at it.
Yeah, the eyes are different, right? Not
The
exactly.
colors are also different. Ow.
Not exactly the same, right? Okay. One got a round eyes and the other close his eyes, right? One is laughing and the other one is not.
Yeah, the other one's
It's not exactly the
sad.
same. They are brothers and or maybe sister. I don't know.
Brother and sister. Now I forget which one is which. Okay, let's put it back. I don't need to put it back though. Okay, where's the top? Where's the top? Okay. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us big Pokemon thumbs up. Bye.